Hi, we're here to teach you how to solve the 3x3 Rubik's Cube Part 2. First, I'll tell you that in the previous part we solved all this layer. Today we're going to solve the middle layer. In this layer we need edges to put that have not got yellow, because we don't need yellow, we need the other colors: blue, red, orange and green. So we search for one of them on the top layer. Here we have one, green and red. We find these two colors and here we have them, green, red. And then we see the color that is in front of us. We look at it, not the red that's on the top layer, this one. It's green, so we put it at the green center. And then we look, we have red. The red center is on the right or on the left? On the right, no, it's orange. On the left, yes, it's red. So we put it here and we do an algorithm that is on your screen. U prime, L prime, U, L, U, F, U prime, F prime. And we see that this piece is in there. We found another one. Here we have red and blue. We find these two colors and they are here, red and blue. And then we see the color that looks to us, the red. We put it on the red place, on the red center, and then we see again blue. It is on the left or on the right? On the right, no. There is green. On the left, yes. So we do the left algorithm, the same we did and the other time with the red and green. And we do the same. U prime, L prime, U, L, U, F, U prime, F prime. And we put in this edge. Now we search for another one. Here it is. It's green and purple. Green and orange, sorry. Here we have green and orange. In front of us we have orange. So we put it at the on the orange center. And green is on the left again, so we do the same algorithm. U prime, L prime, U, L, U, F prime, U prime, F prime. And we put that edge. Now we see that we solved the middle layer. But I have another thing to show you. Wait a minute for me to do the... Okay, here we have again an edge out. We search for it and here it is. We've got orange and blue. We find these two colors here, blue, orange. The color in this layer is orange, so we put it on the orange center. But this time blue is not at the left, it's at the right. So here we will do a different algorithm. The right one. And that goes U, R, U prime, R prime, U prime, F prime, U, F. And we made in this. Now there is another case. That we are searching for edges and they aren't. And we look here that this edge is in its correct position, but it's upside down. We want the orange to be here and blue to be here. So we do a random algorithm, or the left or the right, whenever we like, to take this edge out, to put one of these in. I'll do the right one. And here we've got another edge. And now this edge is on the top layer. We take it, the orange color is on the front layer, so we put it on the orange center, and we see that blue is on the right. So we do the right algorithm. U, R, U prime, R prime, U prime, F prime, U, F. And we solve that. That's the end of the video. I hope you understood the solution and come to the next part to see the rest of the cube solution. Bye!